Learning new things on the weekend. Read the following passage.
Weekends are a special time for many people. After a long week of working or studying, people want to relax and do something they enjoy. While some people spend the weekend sleeping or watching TV, others use this free time to learn something new. Learning new things on the weekend is a great way to grow, have fun, and feel good. Emma is a university student. She studies hard during the week and often feels tired by Friday. But she believes that weekends are the perfect time to try new activities. Emma has always wanted to play a musical instrument, so last month she joined a beginner guitar class. Every Saturday morning, she practices for 2 hours at home. She says, "Playing guitar helps me forget my stress and focus on something I really love." Emma's friend Tom has a different weekend habit. Tom works in an office from Monday to Friday, and he doesn't have much time to cook. But he loves food and wants to learn more about international cooking. On Sunday afternoons, he watches online cooking videos and learns to make dishes from other countries like Italy, Japan, and Mexico. He often invites his family to try his new recipes, and they all enjoy eating together. Not everyone wants to learn music or cooking. There are many other fun and easy ways to learn on the weekend. For example, some people enjoy reading books in a foreign language. Others might take dance lessons, learn how to draw, or try gardening. Even going to a museum or watching a documentary can help you learn something new. Learning on the weekend doesn't mean sitting in a classroom. It's more about discovering your interests and improving yourself. It can also help you meet new people. Many weekend classes, like art or yoga, are done in groups, so you can make friends while learning. Trying new things is also good for your mind and body. It keeps your brain active and gives you energy. When you learn something new, you feel proud. You may also find a new hobby or even a future career. So next weekend, instead of spending hours on your phone or sleeping all day, think about trying something new. Start small, read a short story in English, cook a simple dish, or take a walk in nature and learn about plants. Every small step is a chance to grow. Remember, weekends are not just for resting, they are also for discovering who you are and what you love to do.
Task 1. Read the passage again. Choose true or false. Let's check the answers. Task 2. Read the passage again. Answer the questions. Let's check the answers.